Listen, 2026 is the easiest year ever to start a social media marketing agency. AI can do the work that used to take a whole team. No experience, no employees, no office. In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch a new agency from scratch using AI. And I know what I'm talking about because I actually run a social media marketing agency. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $370,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. We have around 350 active clients and we charge about $1,000 a month per client. But here's the thing, you don't need 350 clients to change your life. You just need to get your first one. And once you get that first client paying you every month, everything clicks. So let me show you exactly how to get there. Chapter 1, pick your niche and what you sell. These are the two decisions that stop most beginners cold. Who do you help and what do you sell? Let's knock them both out right now. First, choose your niche. Because the biggest mistake I see beginners make is they try to sell to a restaurant on Monday, a warehouse company on Tuesday, and a software company on Wednesday. It never works because when you try to sell to everyone, your outreach is generic, your portfolio is all over the place, and you never get really good at understanding what one type of business actually needs. So pick one, but not just anyone. Start with what you know. If you used to work at a dental office, go after dentists. If your family owns a restaurant, go after restaurants. If you love fitness and train often, then go after gyms. That insider knowledge is your unfair advantage because you already speak their language and you understand what their customers want. You can come across as an expert instead of a complete beginner. And when you pick a niche, the AI gets better too. Instead of making generic content for random businesses, you're training your prompts on one industry, one voice, one type of customer. Every piece of content gets better because it's specialized. Plus your posts and ads get better every month because you learn what works. Your pitch gets sharper because you understand the business. And word spreads fast. One happy dog groomer tells another dog groomer. That's how you grow without even trying. Don't overthink this, just pick one and go. You can always adjust later. Commit to it for at least 30 to 60 days and learn it inside and out. Now, let's talk about what to sell. I suggest you keep it dead simple. You're selling done-for-you social media posts. Here's an offer that I have at my agency right now. We're giving our clients 30 posts per month. That's one a day, Monday through Saturday. Posted on Facebook and Instagram. Each post gets a graphic, a caption, and hashtags. You schedule everything for them. You set up auto replies so when someone comments, they get a message back automatically. And you send them a simple report at the end of each month. And here's what you're not including. No one-on-one meetings, no custom video production, no ad management, none of that. You're keeping this simple on purpose so you can actually deliver fast and make money doing it. We're charging one flat price, which is $500 a month. And as you get better and start landing more clients, you can offer more and raise your pricing. On average, my agency makes around $1,000 per client, but we started lower and worked our way up. Next, let's talk about how to actually start providing services in Chapter 2, the only tool you really need. A lot of people think you need a dozen different tools to run an agency, design software like Canva, a copywriting tool like Claude, a scheduling platform like Buffer, or an expensive CRM like HubSpot or Zoho. I've been there and listen, that adds up and it gets really complicated fast. We don't use all of that anymore. We just use one tool and it's called High Level. Everything I just showed you is inside one platform. With High Level, you can make your posts with AI. It writes your captions, it designs your graphics, it schedules everything to Facebook and Instagram, it runs your automations, it handles your client messages, it even builds websites and landing pages. It's basically like having a marketing team built into one app. And whenever we need a custom image or an AI video for a client, then we use a handful of other tools like Canva, OpenArt, and Hagen. But honestly, with offer I suggest for beginners, High Level does 95% of the work. And I'm about to share my screen and show you how. I'm going to walk you through every single feature in this video. And I'm not just saying this because I like it. This is the actual platform we use to manage our entire agency. All 350 clients live inside it. By the way, if you want to follow along with me, you have to try High Level using the link in the description below. They have a free trial so you can test everything I'm about to show you. And right now there's something huge going on. For the whole summer, from June 1st to August 31st, High Level made all of their AI features completely free. So everything I'm about to demo costs you nothing to use. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI Business Blueprint course for free. All right, now let me show you how the AI actually works. Chapter 3, make a whole month of content in minutes. All right, this is where it gets fun. I'm going to open high level, log into a client account, and show you how I make 30 social media posts from scratch. The client we're using today is Pampered Paws Pet Spa in Atlanta. They're a dog grooming business. So inside high level, there's a feature called Ask AI. It's basically your AI marketing assistant. You just talk to it like a person and it does the work for you. Here's the first prompt I'm going to type in. Act as an elite social media marketer for my client, Pampered Paws Pet Spa in Atlanta. They do full grooming, baths, nail trims, and de-shedding. Their customers are dog owners 25 to 55. The brand is playful, friendly, and clean. You can pause the video here if you want to read the whole prompt. Then I click generate and that's it. Watch what happens. It just made all 30 posts. Every single one has a custom graphic, a full caption, hashtags, and a category tag. And it organized everything by week. Week 1 starts with a Hello July promo offering 15% off full grooming, then a grooming tip about summer coat care, a before and after transformation story, a 4th of July pet safety post with tips like keeping dogs indoors during fireworks, and engagement polls asking followers which summer look their dog rocks best. It even built a summary table at the bottom, 9 promotional posts, 5 before and afters, 9 grooming tips, 4 pet holiday tie-ins, 6 engagement posts. Plus it gave me pro tips like which post to boost with $10 for extra reach and the best days and times to post for Atlanta dog owners. Now here's the thing, the first round of designs are good, but they're not great. So I'm going to hit it with a second prompt to clean them up. Act as an elite graphic designer. Make these cleaner and more high-end, bigger, bolder headlines. Keep the teal and orange consistent on every post. Add depth with better lighting. It completely redid every graphic from scratch. The promo template now has a studio-lit Bichon frieze against a rich teal background with huge bold text that says Hello July, 15% off full grooming this week. The before and after template has this dramatic split panel with moody lighting on one side and a glowing finish on the other and a big glow-up headline across the top. The grooming tips card has a Pomeranian under a spotlight with a floating white info card and an orange headline that reads, De-shedding reduces shedding by up to 80%. And the National Hot Dog Day post has a dachshund on a bold orange stage. Every single graphic now uses the same locked-in teal and orange. It even gave me a comparison table showing exactly what changed. Headlines went from medium weight to massive ultra bold. Lighting went from flat to dramatic studio spotlights. Layout went from cluttered to clean with cinematic breathing room. Now I'm going to schedule everything with one more prompt. Schedule all 30 posts for next month, one a day at 11 a.m. on Facebook and Instagram. Skip Sundays. So the AI checked the calendar and actually found a problem. July has 4 Sundays, which leaves only 27 posting days, but I've got 30 posts. So it asked me how I wanted to handle the 3 extras. I told it to spill them into the first week of August. It found the connected Instagram account, built the entire schedule, noticed that one caption referenced the wrong month and fixed it on its own, and then put everything into one approval. I hit yes, schedule all 30, and it fired them off in batches, 5 at a time, batch 1 live, batch 2, all the way to 30 out of 30. Every single post is in the queue. And if I go over to the social planner, there they all are. Every post lined up with the branded graphics, full captions, and hashtags. I can click on any post and see the Instagram preview, the Hello July promo with the Bichon frieze, the 4th of July safety post, the spa day engagement poll, all scheduled and ready to go live. So that's 3 prompts: create, enhance, schedule, a whole month of content for a client in minutes. Chapter 4, set up your lead systems once. So posts get attention, but attention alone doesn't pay the bills. Leads do. So you need 2 simple systems that turn all those likes and comments into actual leads for your client. And the best part is you build these one time and they just run on autopilot. First, let's build a lead magnet. This is basically a free guide or checklist that people get when they give you their name and email. And you can build one inside High Level's AI Studio with a single prompt. Build me a 1-page new puppy grooming checklist. 5 easy tips for a puppy's first grooming visit. Add a box to collect a name and email. Use the teal and orange Pampered Paws brand. In about 30 seconds, AI Studio built a full landing page from scratch. At the top is the Pampered Paws brand name in teal. Below that is a big hero section with the title New Puppy Grooming Checklist and a photo of a golden retriever puppy on a grooming mat. Then it listed 5 tips with orange checkmark icons. Touch their paws often to get them used to the feeling. Introduce the brush with short, positive sessions. Play sounds of clippers in the background during playtime. Keep the first visit short and sweet. And reward with treats after every session. And right next to the tips, there's a lead capture form that says get the printable checklist with fields for the pet parent's name and email. When someone fills it out, that lead goes straight into High Level's CRM automatically, no extra tools, no extra cost. Now for the second system, it's called a comment to DM automation. This one's built with High Level's workflow AI. You just describe what you want in plain English and it builds the whole thing for you. When someone comments on my Facebook or Instagram post, send them a private message that says, "Thanks for commenting. Want our free new puppy grooming checklist?" Just reply yes, and I'll send it right over. The AI analyzed the request, narrowed it down from dozens of options, and built a clean 2-step workflow. Step 1 is the trigger. Someone comments on your post. Step 2 is the action. It sends them a private DM with the freebie offer. It even named the workflow comment thank you message and wrote a description for it. So now every time someone comments on a client's post, they automatically get a DM offering the free guide. And you can actually take this even further. You can add conversational AI so the bot replies to their response, sends the checklist link, and books an appointment. All automatic. You build this once and it just keeps working. Chapter 5, land your first paying client. All right, so you've got the tool. You know how to make the content. You know how to set up the lead systems. Now you actually need someone to pay you for it. Here's the fastest way I do it. I call it the free sample play. Go to Google Maps and search for your niche in your city. So if you picked pet groomers, you'd search pet groomers in Atlanta. Scroll through the results. You're looking for businesses with great reviews but dead social media. Click on a listing, check their Google rating, then go look at their Instagram or Facebook page. You'll find businesses sitting on hundreds of 5-star reviews that haven't posted in months. Some haven't posted at all. Those are your targets. Find 5 of them. Then go back to High Level and use Ask AI to make them a few free sample posts. Just give it their business name, their services, and their brand colors. It'll make polished, branded content in minutes. Now you've got custom graphics with captions and hashtags made specifically for their business. You didn't ask for permission, you just went ahead and made them. Now it's time to reach out. 2 methods work the fastest. First, cold calling. Pick up the phone and call them. You can hit 100 businesses in a day. Here's what you say. "Hey, my name is Sean. I run a social media marketing company and I noticed your page could use some help. I actually already made a couple posts for you. Can I send them over?" That's it. Keep it short. Most people don't do this, which is exactly why it works. Second, cold visiting. Walk into the business with the sample posts on your phone. Show them what you made. Tell them, "I made these for your page. I'd love to handle your social media for you." When they see branded content that's already made for their business, it goes from "let me think about it" to "when can you start?" And here's the key. Offer a free trial for the first week or 2. No risk at all. Tell them you'll run their social media for free so they can see the quality first. Once they see 30 professional posts going out every day on their pages, they're not going back to posting nothing. That free trial turns into a paying client almost every time. And set your expectations right. Most people land their first client within 2 to 6 weeks if they stay consistent. Don't give up after 3 calls. This is a numbers game. Just keep going. All right, quick tease for those of you who are already thinking bigger. 1 client is $500 a month. 10 clients is $5,000. And because AI handles the delivery, you can actually serve all 10 in a weekend. That's about 30 to 45 minutes per client per month. But the smartest move for the long run is to become your own case study. Use AI Studio to build your own agency website. Then run your own social media using the same exact steps I just showed you. When a potential client asks to see your work, just point them to your own pages. That's the most powerful proof you can have. Now, coming up next, I have a full high-level tutorial where I walk you through every AI feature on the platform step by step. So go check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.